Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm the exact software build and license so changes map correctly. Back up the config and user data to a different drive or cloud location. This prevents irreversible loss. Once done, disable non-essential plugins and stop background sync or services to reduce interference. Make sure to run the app as administrator or with elevated permissions. That exposes permission errors early. These first actions both protect your data and create a controlled environment for the fix. You should scan the logs for error 268 traces immediately, noting timestamps and the exact module names involved. That tells you where to focus. Next, compare the live configuration against a default file and revert only the modified keys that correlate with the error. Avoid wholesale resets. Then run targeted repair commands or reinstall the affected module rather than the full application, because a narrow repair preserves your custom settings while resolving corrupted components. You finish by restarting services and verifying logs to confirm error 268 no longer appears. Test the exact action that previously triggered it. Then restore one plugin or configuration change at a time so you can isolate any regressions. If the problem persists, enable verbose logging and capture a fresh error dump for a deeper look. One troubleshooting tip: if verbose logs are empty, run the app with elevated tracing and reproduce the error within 5 minutes. This gives you
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.